So it's the MG Caravans, and today I'm going to be showing you around the Swift Accord by Native. So our Swift Accord is based on the Swift Sprite range within the Swift group. What makes it exclusive to us is the additional features that it does have fitted as standard. So these include the 100-watt solar panel, Alco ATC, external barbecue point and mains point, external access locker, the blinds and fly screens, which are the Herex ones, so they come up from the bottom with the fly screen and down from the top with blind, alarm system, upgraded decals and upholstery, the door that has the window and bin fitted to it as standard, full width curtains, and on the twin axle versions you have got the heavy duty corner steadies and additional aerial.